Hi, we are going to look at volume and market cap and liquidity as well. So here, many people think that this is the actual liquidity, but nah, this is combination of the token, the pool, liquidity pool, the token, amount of token you can trade, and the amount of money put in this pool for you to be able to swap your tokens. This is just a random pair I picked. I don't even know if it's correct or what, but this looks actually incorrect because of the volume and the market cap. So you might actually scan this and find out that okay, it's 13 hours old. I think so. So it may be justifiable, but you can scan it and check and see why it has this volume, the all-time high. And generally, meme coin is relatively not very suitable at the moment. So if you check this out, you see and verify for yourself. So, but 9 million volume is not very fair. Liquidity now, the actual liquidity you have here, what you're going to do now is to check holders. This is the actual liquidity that is available on this pool. 53,000 is actual liquidity that is available. This is this divided by 2. So now you cannot buy a token of $30,000 and expect to sell it at 2x. You can't immediately. You must have to sell it bit by bit in order not to dump. Or so most times when you find a token with low liquidity, what do? You just get a little chunk of it, maybe $100, $50 of it, so that you can sell. Because if you don't sell, you didn't buy. Yeah, that's the only proof. So this is actually it on this. So market cap now, the market cap, any token that has a higher liquidity than market cap is basically a scam. So there should always be a higher market cap than the liquidity involved in it, because there is a higher token than the amount of money put. Market cap is usually the token in circulation multiplied by the price. That's the current price. So and you see this is the current price of this one in USD. So the token should be around 1 billion. So multiply it. This is what it's going to give you. So yeah. So you can, there are other metrics here, but here we're only going to talk about volume, market cap, and liquidity. So volume is actually a good metric. This would be good if you scan it and find out that maybe the all-time high touched let's say $5 million market cap or $3 million market cap. It's a good ape. It's a wonderful ape.